The right iron makes precise, efficient sewing and garment finishing possible, especially when handling delicate fabrics or layered textiles. Rowenta is known for delivering high-pressure steam, precise temperature control, and durable sole plates that matter when you're pressing seams, hems, and applique. In this comparison, I tested 5 Rowenta irons across
List number 1. The ProMaster Stainless Steel. The ProMaster DW8360 sits in the upper mid-tier with a robust 1775 watt heater and a wide 430-hole steam distribution. Its stainless steel base and integrated anti-calc system are designed for reliable performance through dense fabrics and frequent use, which is appealing for sewists who press multiple layers or thick fabrics. It includes a precision tip and an auto-off feature, plus a transparent large water tank for fewer refills during long sessions. Performance-wise, the DW8360 delivers confident, continuous steam with a strong burst when needed, aiding in smoothing stubborn creases in cotton and linen while still handling delicate synthetics thanks to adjustable steam settings. The anti-calc system helps maintain longevity in home environments with mineral-laden water. In practice, the large refill opening reduces downtime between sessions, and the precision tip improves maneuverability around zippers, seams, and button plackets. Some users may prefer a lighter model for extended ironing sessions, but the combination of power, coverage, and stability makes it a strong daily driver for sewing projects that require consistent results.
List number 2. The Travel Iron DA1560 is a compact dual-voltage mini iron designed for portability. It features a stainless steel sole plate with 200 micro-steam holes and a 1,000-watt element, making it capable of quick touch-ups or light-duty pressing on travel projects. It's especially attractive for seam allowances or small quilting tasks where weight and space are at a premium. In use, the DA1560 shines as a go-to travel companion or for quick touch-ups at the sewing table. The dual-voltage capability makes it versatile across regions, and the absence of distilled water requirements simplifies travel. However, its smaller water capacity and lower continuous steam rate limit its effectiveness on heavy fabrics or multi-layer pressing. For garment care on the move, it excels for light fabrics and quick creases, though it's not meant for long sewing sessions or thick fabrics.
List number 3. Iron Steamer for Clothes. The Focus DW5280 blends iron and steamer capabilities with a stainless steel sole plate featuring 400 micro-steam holes and a 1725-watt heater. This model emphasizes versatility for steaming garments and ironing, offering a strong burst and continuous steam for creasing and refreshing fabrics. The inclusion of anti-calc and self-cleaning features supports reliability in inconsistent water conditions. Performance-wise, the DW5280 provides solid steam coverage, up to 135 grams per minute burst and 35 grams per minute continuous steam, with good distribution across fabrics. The auto-off feature adds safety in busy shirt pressing workflows, while the precision tip helps navigate seams, cuffs, and collars. Because it also functions as a steamer, it's well suited for quick refreshes on delicate fabrics, but the combined steam iron approach may feel heavier and less nimble for long quilting sessions. Overall, it's a versatile choice for sewists who split time between ironing and steaming.
List number 4. Access Stainless Steel Sole Plate. The DW2459 focuses on practical daily ironing with a retractable cord and over 350 micro holes for efficient steam diffusion. With 1725 watts, anti-drip protection, and auto-off, it emphasizes safety and convenience for home use. The retractable cord is a notable feature for neat storage and reduces desk clutter during sewing prep. In practice, the DW2459 offers reliable ironing across a range of fabrics, with smooth glide on stainless steel sole plate and safe performance on delicate fibers. The retractable cord is convenient when moving between pressing stations or sewing rooms. While it's not the most feature-rich model in this lineup, its balance of power, safety features, and ease of use makes it a strong everyday option for sewists who value simplicity and dependable performance.
List number 5. The Steam Force Stainless Steel. The DW9440 is Rowenta's premium option in this set, boasting 1800 watts, 400 microsteam holes, a laser-finished sole plate, and a digital display with a precision tip. It's designed for peak performance, offering a 210 gram per minute steam boost for thick fabrics and stubborn creases, and a built-in anti-calc system for longevity. The digital display allows precise temperature and steam control, which is beneficial for sewing projects requiring consistent heat management. Performance-wise, the DW9440 delivers exceptional steam distribution and strong de-wrinkling capability on heavy fabrics such as denim and linen, while still handling delicate silks with lower temperatures. The safety features, auto-off, anti-drip, are robust, and the scratch-resistant sole plate maintains glide over years of use. The high weight, 4.55 pounds, and advanced controls make it best suited for dedicated sewing spaces where you press large quantities or require exacting fabric care across varied materials.